Can I ask another question?
Yeah.
I have two questions that I care about, and I'm not sure which one is the right one for right now, but either one will work. So the idea that the larger the contrast, the greater the rockets of desire and the greater of the receiving is going to be.
So you can dump them in one big load, or you can put them in incrementally. The result is the same.
Yeah. So I've watched this little girl who's come into my life, who's now 5, and she's incredible. And I love watching how she influences the people that she's around, because she's so clearly in the zone all the time.
She make people happier
She lights them up.
all the time.
I don't think I've witnessed very many times where it hasn't happened.
We're just not wanting you to set yourself up for believing that you can be such a bright light that everyone will respond to you, because this whole conversation that we've been having is about the receptive mode of others, the receptive mode. So we're glad she's happy, and bright lights are nice, but sometimes you want to put your sunglasses on.
She does. She puts on her sunglasses and a pair of binoculars, is totally naked, and says she's ready for the world. That's exactly what she does. She came into this world with one parent who wanted her to come into the world and the other parent who was vying for abortion. And so my question is, in the situations of abortion or of adoption or of kids coming in, is it simply a testament to her desire to be here?
To desire being stronger, to desire being stronger. Don't twist your brain into a knot trying to sort those kinds of things out that have nothing to do with you.
I enjoy it, because to me, I look at her and see that she's so powerful. I love that she's here.
But there's no beneficial point in ever again acknowledging anything that was before. There's no beneficial point in acknowledging that someone would have stopped you if they could, because no one else can create in your reality.
Right.
Yeah. Nice to know.
It is. Thank you.
Something else?
No, I'm good. Thank you.